Hello, gentlemen. I think I finally know what is the problem um, with the permission, and I have it resolved, and I'm going to present you now. Um, the thing is that in the previous attempts, I didn't know that once the permissions are approved, or better say scopes, it's not possible revoke them partially, that I have to revoke everything. So I fixed this functionality, and now I'm going to present it to you. So I will remind what is actually the my idea behind this permission, behind the scopes I'm requesting. The option number one for the user can choose, user of our application, can choose that we are going to work or mirror the calendars he has created in our application, and we are going to mirror them to Google Calendar and back. So for this use case, for this functionality, there are only being requested these scopes, which supposed to be scopes that aren't sensitive. These are the non-sensitive, and these are those. Okay. So sorry, here. Let me get back the dialog. So this one. Okay. So I selected all. Here I already have because this user is the registered as the user of this application. So here are some previously requested when he was creating the account, which is the email address and some other basics. This is over the Firebase authentication. Okay, so I hope this is explaining enough, and I'm now going to continue. Okay, so this is the one scope, and the user and his calendar is on board. And now the point. So the thing is that I had to change a bit the unlinking the Google Calendar when we are basically, because as far as I understood, there isn't possible to make a partial revoke of the requested scopes, and therefore I need to revoke it everything at once. So now we are going to revoke all the user. He's gonna be logged out of the application, and now I can sign in again. So this is already approved, and this part works over a Firebase authentication. Not much to do here with me. Okay, so we are back in the application, logged in, and I'm going to present you the second flow where user is informed about his full calendar sync. I request this option. And at this point, we should be view and edit on all events of your calendars, and see the calendars that are subscribed, and these previous scopes from the login flow. No. don't know what's wrong here exactly. Try again. I don't know if I wasn't fast enough. Select all. Previous access. Yes. Here we go. Here are some calendars. Maybe before I wasn't fast enough, there was some timeout or I don't know. Anyway, this works now normally. Here are the calendars of this account, which is my test account. I can import the calendar from the date I want. I think there are currently aren't any data this month, so I will try that one. Okay, so since it's been finished, I can see here the data, and of course I will now, I can still revoke that. Google Calendar, unlink, revoke, all requested permissions revoke. So I will try to log in again. I have to give this standard scopes and it's gone. So this was it. I hope that it was final, that now you have all the answers and everything. The problem was obviously that the previously requested scopes you can't remove one by one. You have to downgrade it to nothing.